I got a slider. No, I got video footage of a slider. It's a $50 camera slider. My buddy Eric picked one up. I was there to capture the moment. I have this old slider. I gotta show you this thing real fast first. So a friend of mine had given me a slider like a long time ago, this guy. And I shot TV commercials on this freaking thing. Like, it has been a great slider. I can't complain. But I've taken it apart and tried to fix it so many times, and there's some sticky spots, and like the carriage is like super wobbly now, so I just can't get a good slide out of it anymore. I even made my own sliders a long time ago. Like, so this was a 6-foot slider that I actually made, and I used this thing for years. This is actually a crane rail for overhead cranes. So like I made this thing, it had adjustable feet on the end, and I made this in like 2009.
What runs in this channel?
There's like a carriage that goes on, and I have it somewhere, I just don't know where it's at, and it sits on them. The wheels actually sit on the outsides, and we had adjustability, which a lot of sliders don't have. So like I was really excited about this thing. And then I ended up just kind of being over it because it's just so big. For commercial shoots, it's fine with certain things, but... So, I got 2 new sliders from Amazon, and I went against my better judgment, and I ordered an off-brand like knockoff from overseas, and everybody said this thing was super cool on YouTube. It's $49 on Amazon.com. So this is the Zecti. This is the Zecti 15.7-inch portable carbon fiber camera slider dolly track with 4 roller bearing for video, movie, photography making, stabilizing Nikon, Canon, Pentax, Sony cameras, 11.02 pounds loading. And it has a cool little case. Let's rip this guy open here. And so like I watched this on YouTube, and I was pretty stoked to find out that everyone said it was really awesome. So it's carbon, it's super light, it's only 15 inches, so for just nice small little slides you can put it in your backpack. It's got a bubble level on it. It even has like a little thing to stop the carriage, so you could like unlock it. You can, oh my gosh. Dude.
Is it pretty good?
It's awesome. So everyone's like, this is the best budget slider you can buy for money, period. And like, there's like almost no play, and it is butter smooth.
Put a camera on it. I'll put this camera on it.
That's incredible. We only got a few sample shots because it was pretty late at night when the package came and we opened it up, but you can see here, pretty smooth. Think that 16 inches is that far of a slide, but it was just about right. And you can see in this comparison video, I was trying to do some handheld stuff, just thinking like maybe I could simulate my own slide with this short movement, but the slider wins in my opinion. Even with my Panasonic G85 dual stabilization, I couldn't hold it steady enough to get a nice tracking shot. I'm really impressed, I actually am. I was not sure what I was getting for $49. I thought I wasted money, and this is really nice. There is a tiny bit of play in the wheels from like where the top's catch is on the edge of the rail, like there's a little bit this way, but I feel like any dolly has that. Even a dolly, a pipe dolly has that. You can lift the whole cart off of it. So like when it's sliding and even just a tiny bit of weight, it is perfect. Like there is no play, there's no bumps. Like it is literally smooth as butter. I'm blown away. For $49, like I'm happy with this thing. Like I will use this a lot. I'm definitely planning to have more sample video footage of this in the future, and we'll get a little recap from Eric when he gets some more chance to use it on the field, see what he thinks of it, see how much he's used it, and I'll share it with you guys. So be sure to subscribe to see that. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you know of a better slider than this or one that you like to use. Anyways, would you get one of these? What do you think? 15.7-inch Zecti camera slider? That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Knob Top, go make something. Whew, holding this is heavy.